Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use a PS4 controller on mobile. This significantly enhances your gaming experience, offering precision and comfort far beyond touch controls. First, ensure your PS4 controller is charged. Then, simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button on your controller for about 3 seconds until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. This puts your controller into pairing mode, making it discoverable by your mobile device, whether it's an Android phone or an iOS tablet. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. You should see Wireless Controller appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to initiate the pairing process. Once connected, the light bar on your PS4 controller will turn a solid color, usually blue, indicating a successful connection. If you encounter issues, try restarting both devices and repeating these steps. The connection typically works within a range of up to 10 meters. With your PS4 controller now connected, you're ready to elevate your mobile gaming. Many popular titles, especially action, adventure, and racing games, offer full controller support, transforming your phone or tablet into a portable console. Games like Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Asphalt 9 become much more immersive and easier to control. Always check the game's settings or description to confirm controller compatibility for the best experience. To maximize your gaming sessions, remember to monitor both your controllers and your phone's battery levels. A fully charged PS4 controller can offer up to 8 hours of gameplay. If you experience lag or disconnections, try moving closer to your device or disconnecting other Bluetooth peripherals. For finding compatible games, many app stores feature dedicated sections for controller-supported titles, making it easy to discover new favorites.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.